my channel, guys. Today I am telling you free on BTC. Now we are going to telling you, and we can confirm you guys, and you can visit. Please step by step visit my video and don't skip anywhere. Okay, guys. Now let's start now. And first class video, and already you are seeing this website, and you can click search on the Google. Okay, you will get okay, you can search here Bitler. Okay, Bitler is website name, and you must use this and click on this .com, and then you will get this is your website, and you can earn free claim. Okay, don't forget this password. Click on the claim this one. Okay, you are watching this one. 1 minute, guys. Yeah, guys. Okay, click on this claim. Wait, guys. Oh, yes, guys. Now I'm telling you on, guys, and you can click this claim, and there are already almost 0 and 0, and here is 0 already. I have other account also. I have total 2 account of this Bitler. Okay, and I just want to show you free and claim for you and showing this you. Okay, and you can this one, and here you will get, if you, and this is amount of this one. Okay, now you want this one, and there are 0 okay, 0 Bitler coin, and you can, if you want to claim other, so you want to earn, then you will get 50 minute, then you can next 50 minute, then you will get for claim also for 1000 this one 1000 Bitler coins you will get next. Okay, and now we are going to now confirm you, and I try to this close this one and click on the I am not a robot. Click on this one and click on the background. Oh no, wait, guys, sorry, click on the back, sorry, guys, yeah, this one. Okay, click on the verify. Now wait, again this, and now this one. Here, guys, there are almost completed. Now I click on the verify. Yeah, it's completed. Now tick good of symbol and click on this claim. Okay, you got it 1000 Bitler BTSL or Bitler coins added to your balance. Good luck. Okay, we got this, and now we want to again try to claim, and this we can't, because after we need to do this 10 minutes later, then you will get again 1000 claims. Okay, 1000 Bitler coin. Okay, guys, now let's start. Okay, and now going to we need to dice. Okay, there are almost, you can do this there are gaming for increase this one. Okay, increase the Bitler coin. I am interested in dice. I love this one. Dice is very interesting. Okay, and if you, there are almost 1 Bitler, you can choose this here, and you can choose it their maximum 100. Okay, it's way better for you, and chance increase to 75. Okay, now again click on, if you want to do it auto, then you can click on this one auto. Okay, auto bet. If you want to click on the auto bet, and click on the manually, and click on this one. This is a roll dice is manually, you will do this. Okay, I click and manually do it. Increases the 32 coins. Again they check it out. Oh, I lost it now. Okay, I try to increase this again. One time increase, then down this, and okay, now again like this. Okay, again increase. Oh, lost. Now again we need to increase this for cross 1000. Okay, we got it. Now again decrease it. And guys, I'm telling you, okay, I did this I already, and now decrease it again, and now again do it. If I have one trick also, if we go to one time loss, wait guys, if we go to just one loss, okay, then now you must increase to, there are the amount Satoshi 1264. okay, now we want to click on this one. Yeah, 400 is better for bet. Okay, now click again. Yeah, we got it and increase it. Now I try to do it down it. Okay, now if we got lost this one time again, now again try increase to 40,100, and now okay, now again down it. Do it step by step, then you will get million of dollar money. Okay, this trick is very best trick for safety. Now lost. Okay, now it. Okay guys, it's very simple, and claim it, and every second, every 10 minutes. Okay, and you got it. Please, you must subscribe my channel and comment if you want to ask with me anything, so you can comment with me, and we will always support you, and I am always servant for you. Okay guys, now we want to, I am waiting for your comment, and I need your support. One comment, one subscribe, I need one like. Okay guys, love you and take care. Please be safe from coronavirus and stay at home and don't go outside. Okay, bye, love you, take care, bye bye.